So, you want to create more leverage and income in your online business. Well, stick around because in this video, I am going to tell you about the number one asset you absolutely have to have in your business if you want to create more leverage and more income starting today. Hi, I'm Lindsay Sewell, and if you are new to this channel, I help you to take your business idea, your passion plan, or your side gig and turn it into income in record time. And today, we're going to be talking about the number one tool that so many business owners overlook that can really create more leverage and more income in your business when you put it into action. So if you never want to miss a video like this, make sure you go ahead and hit the bell notification and subscribe to this channel for all of our videos on building more profit into your business. So today we're going to talk about email lists. Now, before you roll your eyes at me, I am going to give you count them, 5 reasons today why you need an email list in your business to build your brand and increase your revenue. So let's talk about this. Number 1, you do not own your social media accounts. I don't care if you have hundreds of thousands of followers on Twitter, on Instagram, on your Facebook page, on your Pinterest account. You don't own any of those social media accounts. And I have seen time after time after time, people get deplatformed in their business. Facebook decides they don't like something you're posting and they just shut your account down without any notice, especially if you're doing anything that is at all controversial. And let's face it, in our society today, basically everything creates a controversy. On your email list, however, you have the ability to communicate with your fans, with your followers, and with your subscribers without the risk of being deplatformed by a social media account. Plus, if you were ever to get deplatformed, you own your email list. You can export every single one of those emails. In fact, you should be doing that regularly. And if you're not right now, go ahead and export that email list so that you have it handy. Because it rarely happens, but even email service providers can shut down, can get into trouble. So you want to make sure that you actually have that list in a safe place. But it's far more powerful than having all of your fans, all of your followers on social media. Now, the second reason why you want to be building a list is because it creates leverage. And when I say leverage, I mean time freedom, the ability to sit down, write an email in 10 minutes and send it out to hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of people all at once. Now, maybe you only get 1% of your email list taking you up on your offer and buying what you're sending out to them. But what if you sent an email to your list every single day and you got 1% of those people popping sales left and right like popcorn off of your list every single day? That's true leverage, and I can wager a bet that 10 minutes a day would create some time freedom for you in your life. Now, number 3, for my friends out there who are in the home business industry, your company often comes out with specials or new product launches. And what happens? Every single rep and distributor in the company is scrambling to talk to their current customers, their past customers, their potential customers, and they're picking up the phone left and right, and their thumbs are getting worn out from all those Facebook messages. If you have created an email list, you are able to communicate with all of those people at once and a whole lot faster than the other reps and distributors in your company. And again, that is going to create more leverage. That is going to create more income in your business. Now, number 4, this is one that often people overlook, and you may think it sounds a little fluffy, but you get to build a deeper relationship with your email list subscribers, with your community. This is where you get to share information that you may not want to publish on social media. This is where you get to share your struggles, your challenges, what you've overcome, and build that deep relationship, especially for you if you are in an industry where you're in coaching, or you sell a long-term product, or you sell something high ticket and high touch where people are going to be working with you very closely over an extended period of time. You want to get people onto an email list so they can build that deeper relationship with you. You don't want to hope that they happen by your posts on Facebook or Instagram or your videos on YouTube and decide that they are going to check out what you're doing that day. You don't want to hope that they land on your website the day that you publish your blog or your article. You want to be able to build that deeper relationship over time by sending them an email and putting it in their inbox. And that leads us to number 5, which is you have permission. This is so often overlooked, but it was covered in depth in Seth Godin's book back in the 90s called Permission Marketing. This isn't spamming people. This is someone who has given you permission to show up in their inbox. They've given you permission to deliver valuable information, maybe some education, and offers to them. You don't get upset, do you, if you subscribe to Macy's email list and they're sending you information about their sales. You don't get upset when you subscribe to Netflix and they're telling you about the new videos that are being released that you might want to watch, because you have given them permission. Permission is incredibly powerful in your marketing, and you cannot overlook it. The other part of permission is because you're landing in their inbox, they have to take action on you one way or the other. Open you or delete you. It drives people crazy to let emails just sit and pile up in their inbox. So every single time your name is showing up in their inbox, you're becoming more familiar. You're becoming a known commodity, and you are somebody that they have to take action on, whether that be to read your email that day or delete your email that day. They're not just happening upon you based on the Facebook algorithm whims, or based on whether or not you popped into their head that day and they decided to go to your website. You're showing up day in and day out in their inbox, offering them value and making them take action. So if I haven't convinced you yet, then I don't know what will. And if I have convinced you, you can go ahead and I will drop the link to my absolute favorite autoresponder in the comments, and you can start building your list today. It is simple to use. It has excellent support. It's inexpensive. And in fact, you can even take a 30-day trial on me. So go ahead after you're done with this video, click the link and grab a trial of my favorite email autoresponder. And if you want some tips and strategies on how to make your email marketing really work in 2020, then head over to my next video and check out why email marketing is absolutely not dead and the tips and strategies that are working right now in 2020. And then head over to my other video on personal branding so that you can get some more information on how you can bring your personal brand into your email marketing as well. I'll see you in the